In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. We'll walk through the basics step by step, so even if you're brand new to Figma, you'll be able to follow along and start updating text in your designs with confidence. First, open a Figma file that contains some text you want to edit. This can be any design file, a website layout, a mobile app screen, or even a simple wireframe. Once the file is open, make sure you're on the page or frame where your text is located. If your file has multiple pages or frames, use the left-hand sidebar to navigate to the correct one. Take a moment to zoom in so the text is easy to see and click on an empty area of the canvas to deselect everything, just so you're starting fresh. Next, let's actually edit the text content. Move your cursor over the text you want to change. When you hover over it, you should see a text cursor appear or see the layer highlight. Now, double-click directly on the text. After you double-click, the text will switch into editing mode and you'll see a blinking cursor inside the text box. From here, you can type to add new words, delete existing text, or paste in content from somewhere else. Use your keyboard arrows or your mouse to select specific words or characters you want to adjust. When you're done changing the wording, you can press Escape or click outside the text box to exit text editing mode. Now that the content is updated, let's customize how it looks. With the text still selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar in Figma. Make sure you're on the Design tab. This is where you'll find all the controls for the appearance of your text, including the font family, font size, weight, color, line height, and alignment. Click on the font drop-down to choose a different typeface if you want to change the overall style. Adjust the font size to make the text larger or smaller, and use the weight options like regular, medium, or bold to give it more emphasis. You can also change the color by clicking the color swatch and selecting a new color from the picker or entering a specific value. If your text looks too cramped or too spaced out, tweak the line height and letter spacing to make it more readable. Once you're happy with the appearance, click back on the canvas